Synaptic. Hello, my name is Anna and I'll be talking over the synaptic. What is synaptic transmission? It's a transmission of a nerve impulse from one neuron to another, releases neurotransmitters across the synaptic cleft, and helps with synaptic potentials. Synaptic potentials enable one neuron to affect another neuron. It also depolarizes and hypolarizes the receiving membrane. It has excitatory and inhibitory neurotransmitters. These are a few examples of excitatory neurotransmitters. And these are a few inhibitory neurotransmitters. Excitatory postsynaptic potentials. These help the membranes change on which neurotransmitters open sodium channels. Ions diffuse inward, and it also depolarizes the membrane, and it triggers an action potential onto. Inhibitory postsynaptic potentials increases the membrane permeability to potassium ions by inhibiting neurotransmitters. Ions diffuse outward, and it hyperpolarizes the membrane. As neurotransmitters open chloride ion channels, sodium ions enter the cell. Negative chloride ions are free to follow, opposing depolarization. Summation is a threshold stimuli received on after another that allows threshold potential to be reached. Excitatory and inhibitory effect of the postsynaptic potential takes place at the trigger zone. Net excitatory leads to a greater potential. In this image, you can see neurons can be receiving the synaptic knobs of thousands or even more axons on its dendrites in its cell body. There are over 100 neurotransmitters in the brain alone, 30 different ones produced by the central nervous system. Neurotransmitters can be classified as monoamines, unmodified amino acids, and neuropeptides. When the impulses reaches the synaptic knob of an axon, neurotransmitters are released by exocytosis. This table presents some neurotransmitters and their major actions and their location on where they can be found. A short duration on these neurotransmitters, enzymes in synaptic clefts and one postsynaptic membranes rapidly decompose neurotransmitters. Acetylcholinesterase decomposes acetylcholine on postsynaptic membranes. Some of these neurotransmitters are transported back into synaptic mob into the presynaptic neuron. Destruction or removal of neurotransmitters prevents continuous stimulation of the postsynaptic neuron. Thank you for watching my presentation.